Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix LG washer leaking, that too from bottom in 2026. So a bottom leak usually comes from pump housing or filter seal, internal hose connection or over surfacing overflow path. So the key here is to identify the timing of the leak. So in order to identify that, you just have to simply track the leak timing precisely. For that, you can run a short cycle and then observe. If you find that the leak is during fill, it simply means that the problem is with inlet side. If you find that the leak is during drain, it means that the problem is with pump or hose. If you find leak during spin, it means that the over surfacing or the seal issue is there. So this particular step is going to save you from the random fixes. So after you have found what is basically the timing of the leak, you just have to simply follow the steps in order to fix it. So you need to open the lower panel and then remove the drain filter cap. After that, check the rubber O-ring seal and then you need to simply check it. If it is twisted, dirty or damaged, water will leak from the bottom. So you need to clean and reset it properly. Now you need to tilt the washer slightly and look underneath. Focus on the rubber hoses connected to the pump. If clamps are loose or hoses are slipping, the water leaks only during draining. So if you see the foam or soapy water leaking, you may be using too much detergent in this case. So you need to run a rinse cycle without detergent to clear the buildup. Now you can check the hose where it is connects at the back. Even a small crack or the loose connection can cause the slow leaking, especially when the pump pushes water out. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.